Hello friends, in the previous video we have developed a Flask root in Raspberry Pi for an IoT app. In this video we are going to see how to configure a Raspberry Pi to access our LED and create a HTML file and use it as template. So in order to do that, we just go and open the command window. Just click here. Yes, it opens. Already our Flask IoT server is running, and I just stopped this by pressing Ctrl C. It has stopped. And type sudo nano rasp.py. So just name it as rasp.py. So we are creating a new Python file, and just type import rpi.gpio as GPIO. So we are importing our Raspberry Pi GPIO module and set our pin as 4. So we are going to use the 4th GPIO, and type gpio.set warnings and pass the argument as false. So this line helps our Pi to suppress the GPIO used message, and gpio.set mode of gpio.bcm. This line helps our Pi to use the BCM pin numbers. On gpio.setup of pin comma gpio dot out. So this line helps our Pi to set LED pin as output, and I just make this 3 lines into a definition CONF. So we can call this as CONF method, and again create another definition LED on. Inside that type GPIO dot output, then inside that pin comma GPIO dot high. So if we are calling this method LED on, it makes our LED blink, and I just copy the method and paste below this method. I just try again. Yes, I'm pasting this, and make this as off. Then replace the high with low. Yes, save the file, press Ctrl X and press Y, and it come out. Just clear the screen. Here I just list the files. Yes, rasp.py is there, and just open the flask.iot file and go and add our rasp file as import rasp, and come to this root underscore LED. So inside that I just replace the print method with our LED on. So this method is inside the rasp file, so I just typed rasp.led on, and in the else part we just typed rasp.led off. So if we receiving the query string as state on, then the rasp.led on method will be called. Then inside this if, we just call our conf method with proper indentation and save this, give s and just come out. So we have successfully added the two methods, and type sudo python rasp.py. So there is no error, and now we are going to create our templates folder. So in order to create our HTML file, so go to your project directory. So inside that, create a new folder and name it as templates. So inside that, create a new file. I just typed index.html and click OK. Open this with text editor. Here we just type doc type HTML. We are using HTML5 versions, so we need to type this. Then we need to type our head section. So just close it. So inside the head section we need to add our jQuery reference. So below that we need to add our custom script. Just close it. Inside that I just write the custom script. We just add it later. Okay, just write like this and close inside the command line, and open the body section and just close this and close the HTML. So we need to fill our head first. So add our meta tag, meta name equal viewport, and add the size as content equals within double quotes initial scale equals 1 and maximum scale equals 1. So below that we need to add our jQuery reference. So just add the reference. So in order to add the reference, just go to browser. In address bar we just type jQuery.mobile.com. So get into this and go down, click download. In the download section, just search for CDNS here. Copy this 3 lines and go to our HTML file. Below the meta tag, just paste it, and inside the body section we just add our script for flip switch. So we are going to use that flip switch and tap to access our LED. Go to demos and use this latest stable version. Click this jQuery mobile 1.4.5 demos. It's loading. Go down and search for widgets. Yes, here are the form widgets, and click the flip switch and go down. So here is the basic select switch, and click view source. Copy the script. Just copy the script. Is it copied? Go here, and inside the body section I just paste it. Fine. So we just copy the ID as flip-select. Copy this name. Go to the custom script section. We just do some action with the help of jQuery. So I just type dollar of, keep some space, and go up and just open the scope, and below that we just add our method. So the method name is getJSON. Then we just paste our ID as flip select dot change. So inside the change function, add our getJSON method. So just come down and type dollar getJSON. So inside the method, you just type our adder root /_led, and keep the state as our changed value. So just type our selector, then dot val, and close the scope and close the change function. I just remove the space and save. So we have completed our HTML script, and in next video we just go and check everything and connect our Raspberry Pi and access our LED by tapping the flip switch. So keep watching.